it's too heavy.
Uh-oh, careful. Okay.
Wrong time.
Why are you dancing this way?
My favorite.
Okay, do you want to help me make a special dish? I always prepare special Filipino dishes, right, Alonzo? Okay, so this time, I'm going to make sweet mac salad. I always use Lady's Choice mayonnaise. Just cook, chop, and
Combine.
here are the ingredients for easy reference. First, we cook the macaroni. While that's cooking, we mix our ingredients. We just put our condensed milk and then we put our all-purpose cream. And now, we put a big dollop of
Lady's Choice.
Lady's Choice. Mix it, Alonzo. So while you're mixing, I'm gonna put the fruit cocktail, our cheese, and kaong. There you go. How about the green one? And then we're gonna put our nata de coco. So we keep mixing that.
That's too heavy. It's too heavy.
Uh-oh, careful. Okay. No, we put in the cooked
It's like
macaroni. Ready?
Yeah,
One,
go.
two. And we are going to keep mixing. Ubus na. And we are done. The Lady's Choice Creamy Sweet Mac Salad. Cheers!
Like, share, and subscribe.